Hi everybody, it's Kristen and Wyatt of Lazy Sea Homestead, and I'm going to give you a redneck tip. Now, I know redneck isn't a word you want to associate with homesteading, but we homestead on a budget, like nearly nothing budget. So, alright, so what we have here is a couple of different chicken waters, some chicken nipples, a chicken cup, some silicone, a drill with a 3/8 inch bit, and then whatever jug you're wanting to make it out of. This happens to be laundry pods and a juice jug. So it's pretty simple. You just drill a hole. Got your chicken cup. You dab a little bit of the silicone onto it. Okay. Onto the threading, Screw it in. It's usually easier to take the cup off though. And we have a chicken water ready to go. Fill her up, set her out there. My quail like the chicken cup better than the nipple. The chickens like the nipples. I've made these out of 2-liter pop bottles, out of 5-gallon buckets, and they all work the same. They all go to it as long as you take away any other water source they have. So I've already got a pre-drilled hole in this one for you. Just a little elbow grease. Tighten her on there. Then let your silicone dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. And you've got a chicken water. Alright, so I've got my 2 chicken nipples on this one. I like to hang them up with a bit of wire. That way they get good clearance. And usually if they're slightly below eye level on a chicken, it'll be just fine. Now, on a jug that has a screw-on lid that screws on tight like that, you're going to have to put another hole in it up at the top for air. Because if there's no airflow that can go in it, then these gravity nipples don't work. And this is our finished product. The one with the juice jug and the 2 water nipples on the bottom. And then the pods container with the water cup on the front of it.
Subscribe, like, and visit us on Facebook.
And as always, we'll see you soon.